Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on a mini e.l.f. haul. Now, I received an email. Oh my god, it always is me receiving an email that I buy things. But I received an email from e.l.f. and they said like everything starts at $1, something like that. I forgot. I was intrigued and it pulled me in, so this is what ends up happening, okay? Even though I have maybe like, I think 13 items, I don't know, I only spend, I think maybe like $46, so it was a win-win, you know? I needed to purchase stuff from e.l.f. anyways, so I was like, oh, why not? Let me do this. I love e.l.f. Now let's get into this mini haul. So I did purchase things that were on sale and also items that weren't. I was just like kind of all over the place because I needed certain things, so I was like, why not? I don't care how much is it. The most that I spent was $10 from them. Like one of the items were $10, and I'll tell you which ones. So the first thing, I'm gonna take out the box. Oh, it's like a big surprise, even though I know what's in here, but still. Okay, so the first item is this right here. It's the makeup brush cleaning glove. Now, I needed a cleaning glove so badly. I was gonna purchase a makeup cleaning thing from Amazon, but somebody told me not to, so I went with my gut feeling. And then when I seen this on e.l.f., I was like, oh, I have to. This was the item that was expensive. This was only $10. It says that it's a silicone glove that helps to easily and deeply cleanse your makeup brushes. This convenient and portable brush cleaner has multiple textures to clean both large and small brushes. The glove also helps straighten out brush hairs after cleaning. You can put it on your hand so you can hold it. And I needed this so badly because I was cleaning my brush on my hand, and after a while it hurts. You think it won't hurt because the brushes are soft, but after a while it's hurting my hand. Right here is where you can form, you know, straighten your brush out afterwards. It has one for large and one for small. This is daily hydration moisturizer with purified water, vitamin E, and jojoba. No parabens, no sulfates, no phthalates. Get glowing, healthy looking skin with this lightweight, fresh scent moisturizer infused with purified water and skin nourishing jojoba, aloe, vitamin E, and cucumber. Our formula keeps skin feeling hydrated and moisturized. It's also enriched in antioxidants, shea butter, grape, and orange. Now, I needed this because I do have dry skin, so I need every type of hydration for my skin. So I really wanted this, and this was only $8. Oh, okay. Ooh, it smells so good. My hand, where I apply the moisturizer, you can feel like a little bit of coolness. Okay, hopefully this makes me have a healthy looking skin. It glows like it says, and it better moisturize my face. It helps moisturize my face because I need all the moisturize I can get. The next thing in the box is this lip lacquer in clear. This costs $2. It just says a lacquer lip gloss with brilliant high color shine. The vitamin E enriched formula provides smooth, comfortable wear that is non-sticky. Directions: apply to lips as often as desired. Wear alone or layered over other lip color. So I just purchased this clear one because I had the choice of using it alone or applying it on top of something else. Oh, but you know what might be the problem too though? I just realized if I apply it on top of a lipstick, it's going to stain this, and then it's gonna look nasty in here. It don't have a bad smell. The applicator actually feels good. Oh yeah, I do like this. Next in the box. This next item I purchased because of Kathleen Lights. She talked about this in one of her old videos. It's the glitter primer, and this is only glitter primer. This is only $2 as well. Prep your eyelid for smooth, long-lasting, and crease-proof glitter eyeshadow. Lightweight liquid formula quickly absorbs into the skin for comfortable wear and helps increase eye color. Infused with shea butter and jojoba to help nourish delicate eye area. Great for loose or pressed glitter eyeshadow. So this is it. It's like a little tube. The items don't have a strong scent. You know, that you can tell has a lot of chemicals. They say they have shea butter, jojoba. I don't even know what else they say. I just totally forgot. They said grape, orange, cucumber, vitamin E. Like, they have so many good ingredients that's why I'm like, oh, Well, I'm gonna grab this one right here, and this is the Made for Matte eyeshadow palette. Holy smokes. It's a simple packaging, but it doesn't feel like cheap. The blue one kind of throws me off. This one is this, and it's not really true to the pan. They are creamy to touch. It has 10 shadows, a mirror, nice packaging, $4. Can't go wrong. Next in the box, it's this Length and Volume Black Waterproof Mascara. Achieve full and long looking lashes. Waterproof formula help prevent clumps and is quick drying. Directions: apply to eyelashes from root to tip, working in a zigzag motion to fully coat the lashes. Reapply if desired. This mascara is $3. I want to see how the wand looks. I wasn't gonna open it, but I do want to see how oh my god, the wand is so cute and small. Do you see that? I'm gonna use this, not right now, but I'm hoping that it lengthens and volumes like it says. Next in the box, provides smooth, natural looking coverage, helps hide complexion imperfections and even out skin tone. Direction: dab and cover or where desired. Blend with fingertips. Oh yes, fingertips. That's what I'm talking about. This is only $2. Even though it says light beige, it does have a pink undertone to it. This would be great for like a no makeup look, like if you just want to do your brows, concealer, and like say highlight or whatever, nothing, like no foundation. This would be awesome because it does give it like a nice natural glow to it, because I do see some shine. It's like light to medium coverage. When I was on the website, I was on mostly the sale section. They had a couple of brushes there, but I purchased two. The first one is a defining eye brush, and this was only 40 cents. Okay, I was like, what? 40 cents? I'm so with it. Oh, they stepped their game up. So this e.l.f. brush right here, I purchased a while ago, and it doesn't have the name on here, but now they put the name. They put the name. Companies need to start doing that, because if you have a lot of brushes, you're like, wait, what brush is this? What brush is it? If I'm about to tell you guys what brush is it and they don't have the name or number on it, I'm like, yeah, I don't know. And it feels soft too. The next brush I purchased is a Selfie Ready Detail Perfector, and this was $1.20. Oh, so okay, I didn't even say what this. It says that the Defining Eye Brush is designed to contour the crease of the eyelid for added color and highlight underneath the brow bone. Oh yeah, okay, I can see that. This small dome, it is a little dome, I don't know if you can see it. This small dome blender applies and blends cream and powder products to the eye area for a flawless finish. The small dome, which mimics blending with the fingertips, is perfect to buff out concealer or smoke out eyeliner to prevent any harsh lines. Directions: apply product to the eye area and diffuse color by gently patting, swirling, or buffing the brush. I'm happy I purchased this one. When I seen it, I was like, I don't know, but then I was like, you know what, let me get it. It's only $1.20. I might need it. The next thing I purchased is the contouring blush and bronzing powder. This is in St. Lucia or St. Lucia, whichever one you prefer. This was $4. Oh, I like the packaging. It has a nice mirror. The packaging does not feel cheap at all. You have a nice mirror, and it's not small. It's like this little thing. Create a healthy and natural looking glow year round. The blush highlights the cheeks to add a flush of color. The bronzer accents and contours cheekbones for beautiful definition. They both have kind of like glitter on it, but I wonder, yeah, it does pick up the glitter, but there's not so much on it. I'm liking this because it doesn't seem like it's so pigmented, and that's one thing I kind of a little bit dislike about some blushes. If it's too pigmented, it's like, ooh, you have to work it and you have to have a light hand. Sometimes, you know, I don't have a light hand. I just like go in there and I'm like, oh crap, you know? But this seems like even with a heavy hand, it will be okay. I did also buy another one. This is the matte contouring blush and bronzing powder in Fiji. Of course, this was $4 as well. This is Fiji, and this is St. Lucia. This seems like this would be a little bit dark, especially the blush. I might have to have a little bit more of a lighter hand, but they both look so beautiful. I heard that the e.l.f. highlighter in Moonlight Pearl was really awesome. So I was like, I need to get it. So I got the baked highlighter in Moonlight Pearl. This was only $4. So that's how it looks in the pan. Hopefully you can see me. I don't know where the sun came out. It was so gloomy outside that I had to put the brightness up on my camera. And then I'm looking, I'm like, why do I look like that? This baked highlighter, look at how it looks. I applied it right here. I feel like I can apply this all over my face, not just my cheekbones. So I'm actually excited for this. Next is this baked blush in Pinktastic. It has the same packaging as the baked highlighter. It does have some pink like lines in it, and I purchased this for $3. I feel like you have to, with these baked like blush and highlight, you have to take off the first layer of it. This is supposed to be a blush, but it looks like it could be a natural highlight as well, or like a topper over a blush, since it has some glow to it. Gives like a nice healthy look. Soft and shimmery color creates a natural healthy looking glow. Long wear formula provides smooth and even application. Infused with jojoba, rose, sunflower, almond, and grape. Okay, the next item is this little thing right here. This is a HD under eye setting powder in sheer. This light diffusing powder helps camouflage fine lines, dark circles, and imperfections. Silky powder adds a velvety finish, perfect for wearing alone or setting in cream concealer. Vitamin C and K infused formula helps restore and strengthens skin for a revitalized appearance. I purchased this for $1.20. I wonder if this has flashbacks though. The last item I have is this daily brush cleaner in clear. Daily brush cleaner for a flawless looking application every time. Washes away traces of dirt, makeup, oil, and debris from your brush while conditioning the hair to provide a clean and soft application. Directions: after using your brush, spray cleaner several times over the brush bristles. Gently wipe the brush onto a clean cloth to remove makeup. Allow your brush to fully air dry before next use. This was $3, the small bottle. It doesn't have a bad scent, but it's kind of strong a little bit. I want to use this like once I dirty a brush to see if it actually works. So yeah guys, that is all. I am done with this mini e.l.f. haul. I'm excited to use these items, and I'm also going to do a full face. I do need an e.l.f. foundation though. I think I'm gonna just get everything I need from e.l.f. before doing a full face. So that concludes my video. Hopefully this was enjoyable and helpful as well. If you've seen anything that you like, I will leave the links down below for each item that I mentioned. With that being said, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Glove on Amazon. Why I say Amazon like that? Soul Flakes, no what the feeling you flying? Crest pigment. Crest what? Crest.